In this video, I will show how to turn on mobile hotspot on your Android mobile. So you are using mobile of any company, almost you will find setting similar. You have to find out these settings of your mobile device. So click on settings. Now here you need to find out this other wireless connections. So click on this other wireless connection, and in this top you will see this personal hotspot. Click on it to enable and turn on hotspot. Select this setting to on. To turn off and disable, select this setting to off. Once you turn on personal hotspot, you can share your network connection with a personal hotspot. This may consume more mobile data and power. Here you can change your name and password. To change name or password, click on it and make changes here. Remove them and type another one which you like. And save it. So this way you can change, and this way you can turn on your mobile data for sharing your network connection with other. Thanks for watching.